Delta Company, J1 Trainee John Rex B. Advincula, Echo Company, J1 Trainee Julius R. Mirador, Foxtrot Company, J1 Trainee John Christopher L. Paliota.
At this point, may we request Jail Chief Superintendent Ronaldo Mamite Seno, TLPE, Director of National Jail and Management and Penology, Training Institute for the induction of officers.
Please raise your right hand. And repeat after me, make it louder. I state your name. Having been elected and to the position of do hereby solemnly swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability my duties and responsibilities. That I will actively participate and support all activities and programs that shall benefit the institution. And that finally, I shall impose this obligation upon myself, voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Pag-ibaba ng kamay, congratulations, palakpakan po natin sila.